Stay tuned and watch me try on this wig.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing an easy peasy wig install. And it's a great temporary solution for hair loss, or even if you just want to change up your hairstyle and try something new. But this one that we're going to be trying, it's kind of similar to my natural hair, but obviously it's a lot more hair than what I have right now, but we're going to be checking it out. So the one we're trying today is by Outre. I'm assuming that's how you say it. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. It's the Converti-Cap plus bangs. So it actually comes with bangs that you can add on separately. You don't have to use the bangs. This is actually very versatile. You can wear it in different ways. You can wear it as a ponytail, you can wear it as a full wig, you can wear it as a wig with bangs or a wig without bangs. It's a cool one. I haven't tried this one on yet, but I also have it in another color that I have tried on and I liked it, so we're gonna try this one out. So here's the bangs. As you can see, it's synthetic, but it actually has a nice natural look to it. It's in the shade, I think it's 1B something. Crap, where is it? Here's the shade. So it is the shade 1B with kind of a lighter highlight in it. But look, this looks so good. Synthetic, but like this would look like my natural hair before it got ruined, honestly. But look at it, with the nice highlight in it. Perfect. I could probably just try this on with my hair right now. Let's just see how it looks. Okay, the hair net is actually tangled up in the comb. So as you can see, it comes with just one comb, which will be all you need, really. Let's just try this on. My hair is very heavy right now, and obviously I don't have highlights in my hair right now, but it's very heavy and way down because I put a lot of oil in it this morning. Oh, look at that. Once I like scrunch up my hair and prepare it properly, you know, easily just throw on the bang and there you go. The shade's not the same, but you know, if the shade was the same. Love it. In the summer, this would be my color actually. My hair always fades in the sun, so it's cute. Okay, so let's just take this off and get to the video. I get distracted, right? Okay, we're gonna have to cut this out of here. Or should I just pull it out? Let's see. So it actually comes with the card where it shows you every style that you can try out. The one in the middle is, I think, about the shade that I bought of the other one. So yeah, you can wear it as a half wig, the full with the pony, with the bang, sorry, or the ponytail right there. Okay, normally I would have the strength just to tear this off, but it's not working with my hands today. Okay, so the actual cap comes with, the large comb, and then two on the sides for the top, and then one in the back for the bottom. And as you can see, it's drawstring, which makes it easier to fit around your head, or if you're just doing the ponytail, you pull it, and there you have your ponytail. So I'm just going to prepare my hair a little bit. I'm not going to be braiding it down or anything like that. I'm just going to put it in a quick ponytail and clip back my hair. So I'm not wearing it out today, so we're just gonna see how it looks on. Nothing fancy. Obviously you're not gonna wear it like that when you go to actually put it on. But look. Yes, it is synthetic, but look at it. Ooh, girl. This is a lot of hair. But look at that. Look at it. Honestly, you're not gonna know this isn't my hair. You're not gonna know. If I pull down a little bit of my own hair in the front, you see my balding head. But if I pulled out my own hair and just kind of blended it in, you don't have to wear the bangs, you know? So if you're going for a night out and you want something just easy to put on, quick and easy, girl, look at this. I love it. You don't even have to do anything to it. I think this side's a little bit poofier, but you know, you can alter it however you want to. It's ready to go. So let's try it with the bangs. What I'm going to do is just clip it into a little bit of the lace in the front. I don't want to put it in my hair. Ooh. So here's what it looks like out. It's actually a little bit up high because I have a big bun in the back, so I'm not able to pull it down all the way. But here's what it looks like on the top. Can you tell where the clip is? I like this. I'm not sure I like it with the bangs. You know, depending on your mood, I guess, for the day. But if I had it put down properly, this would be beautiful. Let's see it again without the bangs. I'm not a bangs person, so pull it up a little bit. There we go. Definitely like it better without the bangs, but you know, if you ever want to switch up your style, that's the way to go. But what do you guys think? Would you try this wig? It's definitely a reasonable price. I think this was only about $50 or $60. And you can get it at your local beauty supply store. So once again, here's the name of the hair. For the color, we'll definitely do a try on of the lighter one on a different day, just so you guys can see how that looks. I actually like that one with the bangs a lot more. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, we need the subscriptions, guys. We're new. I'm new, more like it, not we. But yeah, let's get this channel rolling. I like it. I definitely look better with curly hair. Bye guys.
I was built to